Kikoff doesn't cancel like a typical subscription because it's a credit building account tied to your credit profile, not just a monthly app fee. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to cancel Kikoff, what happens to your credit when you do, and the safest way to stop payments without creating unnecessary problems. First thing to understand, Kikoff works by reporting credit activity over time. When you cancel, you're not just stopping payments, you're also stopping new credit reporting from that account. Start by opening the Kikoff app and checking your current account status. If you still have an active credit account or any remaining balance, you can't fully close everything in one step. You need to resolve or understand what's still active first. Next, go into your settings or account section and look for cancellation or account management options. Some users will see a direct cancel option, while others are guided through support, because Kikoff often handles closure through customer service instead of a single button. If your main goal is just to stop payments, check whether your billing is tied to an active plan or subscription. Canceling that stops future charges, but it doesn't always fully close the credit account itself. If you still have an active credit builder line, understand this part clearly. Closing it will stop reporting new activity to the credit bureaus. That means no more updates from this account will be added to your credit history going forward. If you want full closure, you may need to contact Kikoff support directly and request account termination. They may ask you to confirm identity details before processing it. Another important step is checking your linked payment method. After cancellation, remove your bank account or debit card from the app to prevent any accidental charges from pending billing cycles. After everything is done, monitor your bank and email for at least one billing cycle. This ensures no delayed or pending transaction goes through after you think the account is closed. To summarize, canceling Kikoff involves stopping payments, closing or managing your credit account, and confirming no active billing remains. The key difference is that credit reporting stops when the account closes, but past history stays on your credit report. Next step, open your Kikoff app and check whether you still have an active credit line before trying to cancel anything. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit builder apps and how to manage them correctly.